Mindfulness for beginners, starting your journey in 5 minutes. Embark on a journey into mindfulness and transform your life in just 5 minutes a day. Discover the power of living in the present. Mindfulness means being aware of the current moment, without any judgment. It's a simple concept with profound impact. Learn techniques like focused breathing to anchor you in the now. Such practices are easy to start but can deeply enhance your life. Mindful eating brings attention to the flavors and textures of your food, enriching every meal. It's about savoring, not just eating. These practices reduce stress, enhance emotional balance, and improve overall health. Imagine facing life's challenges with a calmer, more balanced approach. We'll debunk common myths about mindfulness, showing it's not about emptying your mind, but filling it with awareness. Start your journey today. Just 5 minutes can set the foundation for a lifetime of mindfulness. Let's begin.